Following a recent discussion on the International Guild of Knot Tiers Facebook page, I've come across this Sinnet, which is a variation on Ashley's 3035, which I quite liked, so I thought I'd give it a go here. So I've set up a start for it, which is just 4-strand plaiting at the top, a diamond knot tied in pairs. So we've got 8 strands to work with. Now you need them in alternating colours. Okay, so set them up so they're all alternating and nice and even. I'm going to work with the white ones. So the white ones are going to be working pieces, and these are going to be the spares. The dark ones are the spares. So just do a normal counterclockwise crown. Okay, so you want the white ones to come out before, going around counterclockwise, before the blue ones. So it goes white and then blue, or white and then dark. All reasonably tight, doesn't have to be too vigorous. Okay, so now the dark ones, the spares, we go clockwise with those. So you crown anti-clockwise and you take the spares clockwise. So they just go over the one you've just used. So they lay now parallel. Over and hold them down underneath. So hold them down here. Over. So I missed that one, there you go. So you end up with these. So all these dark ones are just hanging here. They're not crowned. And you lock them in place with the crown that you now tie with this. So you do one set of crowning with the white one, and then just lay these over, and then lock them in with the next set of crowning. So the only working piece really is the white ones. So just do a normal crown. Okay, and again, take the blue ones and just lay them counterclockwise over the one you've just worked with. So it's parallel to the one after it. And then crown again. Get that white one out of there. So each time you hold them all under there like that, so they're out of the way, don't get mixed up. Okay, it's starting to do what it does. The dark one is quite dark in this, but if it's not, see, it's kind of loose a little bit, but it creates a helix under there, which is not actually knotted into anything. It's just held in place by the crowns, which is quite a nice effect. I'm going to leave myself enough cord to do a globe of some sort, but I'll just carry on and show you a photo of the end. Okay, there you go. It's quite a nice little sinnet, isn't it? That double helix in the middle, being held in by the crown. It's like a spiral inside a cage. And I'll just put a simple 954 on the end. It's a bit rough actually, but there you go. Shows you what it looks like, the sinnet anyway. Hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you.